Hello everyone, today I am going to solve LeetCode daily question which is find champions 2. So there are n teams numbered from 0 to n-1. In a tournament, each team is also a node in DAG. You are given the integer n and 0 index 2D integer array edge of length m representing the DAG, which is called direct acyclic graph, when edges of I is equal to u of I and v of I. Indicates that there is a directed edge from teams of u of I to teams of v of I in the graph. A directed edge from A to B in the graph means that A is stronger than B and team B is weaker than team A. So we have team A will be the champion of the tournament if there is no team B that is stronger than the team A. Return the team that will be champions of the tournament if there is unique champions, otherwise return -1. So we have some nodes that we have given. A cycle is a series of node f1 to till a of n such that if I in the same node and as the node n+1, the node of af1 a2 dot fn are distinct, and there is distinct redirected edge from the node fi to node fi+1 from every I in range 1 to n. A DAG is a directed graph that does not have any cycles. So let's see, we have some examples that we have given. As you can see, we have a graph 0. We have here 0 and we have 1. As you can see, the in degree of 0 is 0 and in degree of 1 is 1 and in degree of 2 is 1. Okay, so what do we have to do? As you can see, this is the example we have given. We can see the input is n equal to 3. So we have 3 number of nodes and we have edges 0, 1 and 1, 2. Okay, so we can see we have the output 0. How it came 0? Let's see the explanation. We have team 1 which is weaker than team 0. Okay, team 1 is weaker than 0 because it is contained in degree. Okay, if it contains in degree, it means that from where the in degree is coming, that will be like stronger than the itself. So let's see, we have we have team 2 is weaker than team 1. So as we can see, team 2 we are getting in degree of 2 is 1 and this is weaker than 1, and so the champion is team 0 because there is no one which is like there is no in degree. I mean, we can say simply. Okay, so let's see one more example. We have like 0, we have 2, we have 1, and as you can see the in degree is 0. Let's write here, we have like in degree 0, we have in degree like 2, we have in degree 0, and we have in degree 1. We have to just think about the in degree and we have to just get if there is in degree 0. Okay, you have to just push the element in array, vector, whatever you can take, and if the size of that vector or array is greater than 1, okay, it should be 1. If it is 1, then say what is the what will be the output. Okay, if there is just one value which has in degree 0. Okay, as you can see, 0 here, 1 here, 1, these are some in degrees. As you can see, only one element which is 0 contain in degree 0. So this will be the answer. But here as you can see, the in degree 0, 0, 2, 1. Here two element contain 0 as in degree. So we have 2 stronger, which is not possible. So we will just print -1. Okay, so this way we are gonna solve this question, and let's see the solution. So we have like the helper function which is find champion. We have passing n and we are passing vector of vector integer edges. So as you can see, we are initializing degree of vector of n size with 0, and we are iterating edges e, and in w we are storing the value of second. Okay, what this says. Okay, we have like, let's suppose 0, 1, we have 1, 2. So what e of 1 indicates? E of 1 indicates this part. Okay, this part indicate e of 1. So this is e of 1 and degree of w plus plus. Okay, what is w? W is, let's suppose here 1. So degree of 1 plus plus, if we have 1, 2, 3 with initialized as 0, 0, 0, then at 1 it will be like, it is initially 0, so it will be incremented to 1. Okay, this way we are solving the questions. So I mean, this way we are storing the element in the vectors. Okay, so let's see whatever the next step is. So we have another vector which called degree of 0. We are storing the degree of 0 value. Okay, if we have some like edges which contains degree of 0, we will just store it. And how we are going to store it? We'll iterate the loop and we are checking if degree of ith is equal 0, and we'll pushing inside the degree of 0. So what's the logic here? If degree of 0 dot size is not equal to 1, if it is equal 1, then we will return that. Okay, we will return that. But if it is not equal to 1, then we will return -1. Okay, else return degree of 0 of 0. Okay, this way we are gonna solve this. See, there is one more problem which you guys can face. What's that? That means, okay, let's suppose we have like 1 2 3 and we have 4. Let's suppose this coming here, this coming here, and this coming here. Okay, the in degree is 1, the in degree is 1, the in degree is 1, here the in degree is 0. So what should the degree of 0 will store? Degree of 0, I mean the degree of 0, this vector. Okay, degree of 0th vector, degree of 0 vector, 0 vector will store 2. Okay, it will store this. Maybe this is at the second index, so it will return 2. Okay, this way we are going to solve this question.